13, the dimensions of a rectangular pyramid are shown. What is the volume of this rectangular pyramid in cubic feet? We're looking at three-dimensional objects, so let's start with the formula. The formula for finding volume of this rectangular pyramid is volume equals length times width times height divided by 3. So let's find the dimensions of this and plug it into the formula. So volume equals length times width times height divided by 3. The length of this prism, we'll highlight right here, will be 8 feet. So we can put 8 into our formula there. Our width of this will be 4 feet. So we'll drop the 4. And then we're going to look at the height of the prism, and it looks like it is 6 feet. So we'll drop those in there. So now we have the length, the width, and the height. So we just need to multiply those together. So let's do that. We have 8 times 4, 32. And then we'll take that value of 32 times 6, and we get 192. Now, we're not quite done yet because we need to find the volume, because that's just the value of the length times the width times the height. Now we have to divide that value by 3. So if we don't know how to use the algorithm and we don't want to do long division, we can actually use a table and break this into pieces. So I'm going to take 192 and just break it into equal pieces till we have our answer. So let's drop 60 in there. So we add 63 times. We have 180, which will leave us with 12 left, because 192 minus 180 is 12. We know 12, we can divide that by 3. It's 4. It's an easy basic fact. When we add those together, now we have 192. Like I said, this is just an alternate way of looking at it. And we can check our answers by looking to see, are all our tables equal? Yes, they are. Or you could take this and you could use the long division algorithm. Either way works. But if you have trouble and it's a little tricky for you to do the long division, then breaking it into a table and using addition is a really good way to do this. So what is the volume of this rectangular pyramid in cubic feet? C, 64 cubic feet.